Good morning friends. Anup sir. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 10, light reflection and reflection. So today we are going to solve some examples from this chapter for the power of lens. First, find the focal length of a lens of power minus 2.0 diopter. What type lens is this? So first of this, power of lens is given. What is the power of lens? Power of lens is given P is equal to minus 2 diopter. Power is always in meter. Then what we want to find out? Focal length. Focal length of lens means we want to find out F. Next question is, what is the type of lens is this? First off, we know that the formula for power of lens. What is the formula? P is equal to 1 upon F. But we want to find out here focal length. So F is equal to 1 upon P means power. 1 upon minus 2 means minus 0.5 meter. It is the focal length. So we are going to convert in the centimeter. So minus 50 centimeter is the focal length of this lens. Now, what type of the lens is? If focal length is negative, then lens is always concave. If the focal length of lens is negative, then it always concave lens. Then it always concave lens. Next one is, a doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power. Power is given 1.5 diopter. Find the focal length of the lens. What we want to define? Focal length. Is the prescribed lens diverging or converging? First of the power of lens is given. Power of lens. First of power of lens is given. Which is the power of lens? 1.5 meter. What we want to find out? The focal length of the lens. Focal length of lens we want to find out means F. We want to find out. Power of the lens is given P equal to 1.5 meter. Now we know that what is the formula for the power of lens? P is equal to 1 upon F. But here we want to find out the focal length. So we have formula F is equal to 1 upon P. What is the value of P? Is 1.5. Value of P is 1.5. We can write it also 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 2 by 3. What we get? 0.20. 3 6 18. 20. 0.66. Then it is equal to like that 0.67 meter. Okay. So we convert in the centimeter. So 67 centimeter is the focal length of the lens. Here the focal length of the lens is positive. Focal length of the lens is positive. So it is convex lens. It is convex lens. Convex lens have always focal length is positive. Convex lens have always focal length is positive. So it is a converging lens. It is converging. Positive power, it is a converging lens. It is converging lens. If lens is concave, then it is a diverging lens. If lens is convex, then it is the converging lens. I hope you well understood the formula for lens and its example also. Now we have seen another example like that. A convex lens forms a real and inverted image of the needle at a distance of 50 cm. Means it is a image distance B is equal to 50 cm. From it, where the needle placed in front of the convex lens, if the image is equal to the size. Image is equal to the size of the object. Also find the power of lens. Okay. So first we say that a convex lens forms a real and inverted image. Real and inverted image to equal size. Equal size, it means that object place is 2f. We have to know that then object place is 2f, then we get image place is also 2f and r is equal to 2f, means image distance b is equal to 2f, r is equal to image distance is equal to 2f. If the lens is convex, then we get image distance b is equal to 50 centimeter. Then we know that the magnification for the convex lens is magnification of lens m is equal to b upon u. If the lens is convex, then value of the magnification is always 1, always plus value, always positive value. So we get b is 50 centimeter, m is equal to 1, m is equal to 1, b is equal to 50 centimeter, upon u, then we get u is equal to also 50 centimeter. U is equal to also 50 centimeter. Sorry, magnification is negative. If the image is real, then magnification is always negative. Because of a convex lens form a real image. जब भी इमेज कैसा मिलेगा, रियल मिलेगा, तो मैग्निफिकेशन क्या मिलेगा उसका हमेशा नेगेटिव मिलेगा. ऑलवेज नेगेटिव. लेंस में भी कॉन्वेक्स और कॉनकेव. ओके, इट डजंट मैटर. then we get u is equal to minus 50 centimeter. Okay, it is the object distance. It is object distance. Now we know that I equal to b is equal to 2f. Then we get 2f is equal to b. 2f is equal to b. b is 50 centimeter. f is equal to 50 upon 2. f is equal to 25 centimeter. Now we know that the formula for power of lens p is equal to 1 upon f diopter. Diopter is the unit of power of lens. Then we get 1 upon 25 centimeter. So we want to also convert in meter. Then what is, if centimeter converted in meter, what we get? 0.25 meter, because power is in meter. Then we get 2.5. Diopter means my 4D. What we get? 4D. How? 100 upon 25D. 25 4 100. We get 4D. Here the value of power is positive. Value of power is a positive. So it is a convex lens. So it is a convex lens. Because of convex lens have a always positive power. Convex lens is always positive power and concave lens is always negative power. If the magnification of the lens is negative, then image is real. If magnification of the lens is positive, then image is erect. Now next example is find the power of a concave lens of a focal length. Okay, focal length is given 2 meter. Focal length is given 2 meter. Focal length is given 2 meter. What lens is concave? Concave lens have always focal length is negative. Concave lens have a always focal length is negative. ओके, जब भी कोई भी कॉन्केव लेंस होगा तो उसका फोकल लेंथ क्या होगा? नेगेटिव होगा. कॉन्वेक्स होगा तो उसका क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव होगा. ठीक है. तो we want to the power of the lens. Then we get P is equal to 1 upon f diopter. 1 upon f diopter. Then we get minus 1 upon 2 diopter. Minus 1 upon 2 means minus 0.5 diopter. It is the power of the given lens. The given lens is concave lens because of its focal length is negative. If anybody has any question regarding the power of lens and its examples, then ask me on comment box. Have a nice day. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss about the formula for lens and mirrors example. Have a nice day.